substantive in nature and will claw back on devolution.
Ikiombe kia banyagitari mense ya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union nigo bagosere gose babiri bagukwanira emechandiri bagwetera nene chinga kiechiga obugima bogenderete gokonga asikeria bagosere ire gochego chaka omugirobo asegeka kia matuko emeronke 3 arebosio bakora wano murikyo monene David Atera nigo batere na amagania abayibabegeto koywana koro mwaka bwechiri 2012 nigo atanya goikeraniwa igento bagani serikali kurigereria ngane iyo na kuyegayana iryo banyore emesara yabo bayirane asobokoreri asikinyagitari.
We wish to state that Kmpdu continues to be available for the remainder of the month since we issued our notice of intentions to strike on 28th of November 2022. And so far, we appreciate that the Ministry of Labor has appointed a conciliator. But up to date, we've not had any engagements. And therefore, in the absence of this, Kmpdu reiterates that the industrial action that has been contemplated and the notice has been issued will actually go on, and we will have to go on strike or to carry out any other industrial actions that we deem necessary in the month of January. And we want to tell the public that when that happens, it will not be the doctors who are on strike. It will be the government, both the national and the county government, that are on strike. Because giving them 30 days of notice for engagement is sufficient for a resolution. It will be in bad faith